Just waiting on a train, huh, dude?
We would be at the Swagout right now if it wasn't for this train.
Are you excited for your first Swagout, Wade?
This is Wade's first Swagout. Get your butt out of my face. Wait, why are you doing that to me? I'd buy your food, sucker. It's just far enough away I couldn't reach it because of the mirrors. Alright, we're just arrived. Swagout 3, Swagout 1 for Wade.
It'll be Swagout 3 for Cash and the rest of us.
Right here's where I fell off the golf cart. It's right there. This curve.
Memories.
So anyways, this is the Wandering Wagners subscriber campout. 3rd year. I'm sure it's adventure bound camping. I'm sure it's gonna be a good time. There's a lot of the people that were here last year coming, and there's a lot of new people as well, which is awesome. And I know Mike and Lynn like that too. But so who knows what's gonna happen at this trip.
Yeah.
If you guys have seen the previous year's videos, you know what I'm talking about. If you've seen Kicking It with Kenny's videos that I shot from the infrared golf cart adventure, oh my goodness. So anyways, stick around for this video. We have no idea what's going to happen, but we're just happy to meet up with everybody and once again. And this is, I said this last year I think, but this is the event that kind of started us camping with a bunch of different people. We met them at this event what is now 2 years ago, including Kenny. And so stick around for the video. Hope you guys like it.
Yep. Catch up with you later.
Get that lady another glass of wine.
All right, Mike, what do you have there?
Shells and cheese.
Well, what time is it right now?
What time is it?
10:02
p.m.
10:02 p.m. All right, and what you have there?
I told you what I have. Shells and cheese.
Shells and cheese. Right out of the pan. Or pot.
I'm fancy.
Man. I'm jealous right now.
I guess your wife doesn't love you as much as I do.
No, but I did buy her something cool though. I bought her a new vacuum.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a Milwaukee fuel.
I hear tell.
Yeah.
That's better than diamonds, Dave.
Yeah.
Fighter light?
She was impressed when she saw it. She's like, oh, it's the fuel one. I'm like, yeah, I didn't buy the crappy one. I bought the...
People don't realize how hard it is to be a trophy husband.
No, it's a lot of work. Like I'm sweating right here just being a trophy husband.
Right.
It's a lot of work right now.
You guys can be each other's trophy husbands.
Broke down.
Sounds more realistic.
All right, it's Friday morning here at the Swagout 3, and these are all the people that rolled in last night, Thursday. You're not seeing double there. Bill Porter and ours, back to back. So last night, all these people rolled in to start the festivities. There's actually 30 people here right now, 30 campers. And they said, they told Mike and Lynn that tomorrow, or today, now what is now today, there'll be 60 more rolling in. So that'll be about 90.
Fitch, what's up, baby?
What's going on?
Trying to find my spot, man. Where we at, man? I made it in no time, man.
Your Camp 8 is full.
Camp 8 full?
Yeah.
She's back at the move, man.
We'll find a spot for it.
Where I gotta go?
We'll find you a spot.
Ah, you're right. I can't see it. So we rolling in the Fitch.
What are we doing right now?
Man, listen, man. It's the 3rd annual Swagout, man. The shit go. Sorry, I ain't in the Customer Fishing channel. It's gonna go crazy though. Swag, that shit is going down, man. We about to listen. We about to do. Put the phone on him.
Hey, you go have a kitty.
You gotta get everybody.
Is there anything happening this fall?
All right, so this is Rick. Rick is part of the. Rick is part of the infamous video, the original video. We just didn't know Rick back then, so we have now met Rick. right, let's go. Let's go. Am I riding with you guys?
Yep, hop on.
Bullshit.
You got room? Oh, you got.
Come on, Fitch, man.
Oh, shit.
It's the third annual, baby. Swagness. This is going down right now. Ty, be careful, man. It's going down, baby. It's about to go. Come on, let's go, baby. Back it up and drive like I drive it. Come on, baby. Man, if you don't, man, come on, man. You gonna make us look bad. Come on, man. Man, come on, man. We gotta roll, man. People waiting on us. Listen. Y'all welcome to the annual Wagners and Campout. Third annual, baby. Hope for a fourth one. Pay attention. Stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned.
All right, here we are. This is Saturday morning of the Wagner Campout, better known as Swagout 3. We're hanging with Val and Uno, and we have the air fryer out, doing the hash browns, and then we do the bacon in this now because I'm not cleaning that Blackstone. And if it gets dirty, I'll just throw it in the trash and get another one. Here's what we're doing. I'll zoom out. We did those hash browns, this campfire sauce. I told you guys I dipped my fries in it. And this is kind of like a huge fry right here. So I'm dipping my hash brown in it. It's amazing. We did some bacon. We got a tour of the campground last night.
Oh, we did.
So there's gonna be some good footage, probably on good for Kenny's channel, not for our channel, I don't think. So, you know, I don't even know what to say about this. We saw
locals know how to party.
Yeah, the locals are no joke. And they drove past here last night. We jumped on the golf carts with them, and
Just
yeah, some of that will never be told. Some of it you'll see on Kenny's channel.
Yeah, the unedited version.
Yeah. But anyways,
it was a good time.
Yeah, it was a great time. Uno was up all night with us.
Yep.
And so this is it. Right now, we're just gonna finish off these this breakfast, and who knows what we're gonna get into.
Good morning, Mr. Fitch.
How's it going so far?
Good.
Hey.
You guys enjoying it down here?
Yes.
I have a feeling it's a little bit more quiet down here than it is at the other end.
We got all the old people and no neighbors.
I
Yeah.
don't think Kenny's up yet.
Nah, he doesn't get up till 2 or 3. You know, he's kind of nocturnal.
Yeah, he has
Yeah.
night.
Yeah. Don't worry, you'll know when he's up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, he told me yesterday, because I was one of the first ones here, that I got it started, but he'll close it up.
Oh, that's. This is the big boy truck area down here. I know that for sure. So take a look at this. So every truck down here's got 6 wheels on it.
I never paid any attention.
Look at this.
The trucks here are Fords too, because really that's about the only truck there is.
All the trucks down here. Oh man, there's Mike still with the Banger sisters getting banged still. He's gonna have a rough time later. So.
How much we love Andrew with Chuck and Sherry.
Whoa.
We're driving.
Yeah.
That's how much we love them.
So where you guys going?
Van Buren State Park.
Yeah.
To get Chuck and Cherry and then make a liquor run.
Man, that's not surprising at all. Out of any of you guys. All right. Drive safe. We'll see you guys. What's going on? We're just interviewing people that are driving by. How are you guys?
We're doing great.
You doing the same thing? Going down to see Chuck and Cherry?
Yeah, we're going
Man, Chuck and Cherry are popular.
Yeah, we're just upset they didn't make it over here.
Yeah, they were here last night, but
Yeah,
pretty
that's what
late.
we're
Yeah.
hearing,
yeah,
yeah.
They need to have their own meetup, man. They're popular.
Yes, those
yeah,
guys are. They're great people.
But we got to make it back in time for the hot dogs.
That's
Yeah.
right.
And
Yep.
now we're gonna win.
Oh, we'll wait for you.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll wait for you.
All right. We'll
See ya.
then.
Mr. Floro, Mrs. Floro.
It is good to be here.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're having a great time.
that's awesome. You got a new ride?
How about that? Just a couple weeks old.
Man,
So,
times are good.
Well, that 5.7 just didn't quite like the Rockies.
Okay.
And now we're even more.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we may make this our permanent dwelling. So.
All right. That's how much they cost.
That's exactly right. That's right. So,
all right.
It's always good to be hanging out with everybody.
It's a great time. It's good to see everybody. It's always fun when everybody gets together.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir.
Yep. We'll see you guys.
Okay.
You guys want to go for a ride? Hey Santa!
Santa!
Keep us away from the water!
Right back in.
I don't want to have to swim out of here.
You won't be the first time.
All right, we're here with John, and a couple years ago, John had a small little incident, right, with the tractor in the pond, right, and I had to capitalize on it and fly the drone down there. And so, what happened? So, bring us back to that day. Tell us what happened.
It was an old crap moment. I backed up, trying to mow the pond, make it look nice for you guys.
Amazing.
I'm telling you what, I was trying to make it look nice for you guys, and it was an old crap moment. It's like it's not stopping.
Yep.
Oh darn! Here we go. There you go.
And then someone put it on YouTube.
Yeah. You.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. You know what? And then we have those girls.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
All right. Well.
But yeah, we are a happy go campground.
Yep.
And everybody have a good time. If it's not fun, it ain't worth it.
That's right, and you do a great job here. We thought it was amazing. It's awesome that you're getting down there that close with the mower and making the sacrifice to keep the grass cut down there. So.
Yeah, well, I was butthole deep in water, but you know what? We'll have that. So.
All right.
All right.
Well, thanks for being a good sport with us, John.
Hey, no problem. I love having you guys. Look forward to it again.
Awesome.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
All right.
Go ahead and talk.
Say what?
I don't know. Talk about your cool matching shirts.
Favorite show.
Yeah. Andrea turned us on to this show.
We were camping at East Fork State Park back in January. East Harbor. Back in January. It was cold. Wagners were live. We were entertaining, you know, all the people, thousands of people that were live watching it. And then everyone's like, well, where's Andrea? So Mike and I, we didn't know where she was. She was gone. So we went over, looked in the window of the camp. She was watching Loading Wars on YouTube, on the TV.
Now we're
It's on video. Yeah. You can't deny it.
Go back to the East Fork.
All right.
East Harbor.
I think it's time to cut right now because I hear a lot of BS coming out of you guys.
Go back to the East Harbor January video live. Skip to about an hour in. You'll see it. She's in there.
It's there.
Yeah, it's there.
Video doesn't lie.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yep. Here we go.
Melanie.
Come on there, come on, Melanie.
Rigged.
Eminem.
It's like, get the fuck.
Eminem.
So what did they take? Did they take the
All kinds
They
of
took, yeah, I think it was the. Did they take the easy stuff? Yeah.
We got just
That's smart.
water, I guess, containers, toilet paper, fire starters, different kinds of pop. Still have the thermostat, or the trading units.
Actually, that might be a good idea.
No, I can't
might
make
be
that.
because the Winnipeg ones.
All right, even though you take it so long, you're going to snooze or lose because the next one up, 507. You better choose or lose, baby. 507.
No pressure.
Keeping it moving.
Keeping it moving.
Keeping it.
All right, so we're packing everything up Sunday after the Swagout 3. What'd you think?
I'd say what happens at Swag Nation stays at Swag Nation.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
It was a rough weekend.
This was the largest Swagout event yet, so there was
lots of late nights and
60 or so. I don't know how many people were here, honestly.
Yeah, there was a lot.
There's a lot of people. Like, I don't know how many sites it was, but it's every year it's basically doubled.
Yeah.
And
we had some seasonals that were happy to have us and came over to join the fun.
Now we've met up with some seasonals, and it was fun hanging out with them. Which
you got the Banger Sisters.
Yeah, the Banger Sisters, Bert and Rick. They hang out here. Bert's like the work camper, and Rick's like the local legend. So Rick, if you see this, we've been calling you the local legend. And Dan. So Dan was in the one video where, in the Kenny golf cart video, he's the guy that they passed us and he like toasted us all cool, like, you know. So I might throw a little clip of that in as I'm talking about it right here. It's like the coolest thing ever. And we watched that video back and saw that, and we never thought we'd meet that guy. So yeah, we finally.
But yeah, it was just an awesome bunch of people, and we had a great time, and once again met new friends, and which is I think what these events are all about. So you know, we were able to connect with a bunch of people, and now we've got more people to camp with.
We've talked about this last year. This event is really what kind of started like a networking of people camping together.
Yeah.
And I know it's happened again this year. There was many people that will spin off of this and go camp together, and
yeah, that's what it's all about, having a good time and making friends.
Thanks for following the channel. We appreciate it. Thanks for everyone that came out to the Swagout and came up and said hi to us and talked to us and all that stuff.
Great event.
Yeah, it was an awesome event. So thanks for following the channel. Like and subscribe. Drop a comment.
Yeah, we like comments.
What do you think about the freaking swag nation?
Yeah.
As Kenny calls it. The Swagout. You know, hopefully you guys can make the next one. So we appreciate it. Thanks.
Yep, thanks.
Here's Uno. He wore the concert shirt to the concert.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's one of the originals.
That's right. He's a OG Wagner.
Yep.